Well, good morning. It's our campsite below. A beautiful lake that we camped beside last night. So this is day 3 of our trail, and I've given up trying to pronounce the names of the places we're going to because I just can't. So I'll put the names up where we're going, because if I say them, they're going to sound like Klingon or something. Or something. So anyway, day 3, we're so lucky with the weather. I remember last week, like, it was showing that today was an absolute washout. Friday or Saturday was an absolute washout. But look, we've actually blue skies here now. So it's we're fairly blessed, being totally honest. So today is 15k. And I always thought, like, it's they're short distances, but they're tough. They're tough. It's like the likes of Carntool is 12k, but it's tough, you know. So it's not the distance, but yeah, it's one hell of a journey. You need to put this on your bucket list. Anyway, let's keep going. Let's head to that place. That should be on the screen here somewhere. All right, let's hit the road. I see that there's a volcano erupted. So all my family were sending me the news, but it's 40 kilometers from Reykjavik, where it's our last night there. So God, it'd be amazing if we could see it. They say you can see it when you're flying out. I don't think my drone will go that far. God, I'll try. Looks like we have another river crossing. Happy days. Very like the Skellig Islands. Very cool. And we're walking on just glaciers. Massive, massive glacier. And we're walking towards it, and you can feel the frosty cold air coming off it. It's so fresh. you get taken back sometimes if you take a big breath in up your nose and it's going, oh my god, that's fresh. Oh. Oh, it's getting colder. So it is. I got this very handy pouch here just to carry my drone. It's so handy instead of stopping, getting the bag out and stuff. So yeah, and I actually saw recently they're actually selling these. They're the crotch cooker. So they're a thermal bag that you tie onto your waist and you put it down your pants with your food and the water, and it cooks your food while you're walking. The crotch cooker. Oh yes, I will not be trying that. I think we're coming up to the final river crossing now. Maybe. This is a big crossing. I'm just glad it's not raining, because that would have been, that's flowing very, very fast. And it's quite deep, as you can see by the broken down duster. Okay. Yeah, that's deep. Okay, we'll go upstream a bit and see what we can do. Well, here goes nothing for my short legs. Oh my god, yeah. Oh, Jesus. I can't get over the difference in terrains and the difference in the temperatures. We're into like a Madmax looking desert nearly of just rockland. That's a long distance in this heat, but I see a bridge and a river ahead, so let's stop there for lunch and fill up some water. What mad is this? Unbelievable. Yeah. So we're ending the day in the rain. It was forecast anyway, so our last night is going to be a rainy one. What a day. Tired now. Okay, off to sleep. Weather's really changed. It's raining outside. Well, it's not now at the moment. The wind just picked up, so I'm gonna sleep. We're up early for our last day. It's meant to be raining tomorrow, and we're hiking. We've a bus booked for 6 o'clock, bringing us back to Reykjavik, where the volcano is. So let's see how we get on. Right, I'm going to sleep. I'm exhausted. Thanks very much for watching. Day number 3 of the Iceland trip. Yeah. I need sleep. Thanks very much for watching. Bye bye.